Hi, this is Mahdi from InstaWebWorks, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add new settings to our extension Google Address Toolkit for Zoho CRM. So after we install our extension, it's set up for leads, contacts, accounts, but for the other modules and custom modules you need to set it up. So let's go to Marketplace, then click on Installed, and find the extension Google Address Toolkit for Zoho CRM and click on Settings. Over here, you can see we have settings for contacts, leads, and accounts. Now I'm going to click on Module Settings and add for settings for Deals module. Then click on Country. You can select up to 5 countries, and when you search for addresses, it will only show you addresses from those 5 countries. I'm just gonna select United States, select a place. So I'm just gonna provide a random address, and that's it. Now you have to map all of the fields now where you want to save the address details. So just gonna search for street, so full street, city. Oh, okay, so I don't have the fields, so let me just create some fields based on these fields over here. So let's come back when I'm done. All right, so I'm back. I created the fields so that I can map them over here. So I'm going to click on module settings again, select the deal module, then United States as the country, and select place. I'm just going to select a random place and go next. And I'm just going to name this one as billing address. Okay, so address 1. I'm going to map it to the street. I have this billing street. City to billing city. State to billing state. You got to keep in mind that these have to be a single line field, not numbers. Otherwise, it won't be populated properly. So keep that in mind. Zip, country, this is county. I don't need county, just gonna say country. Formatted address, I'm just gonna say property full street. Now we have latitude and longitude, so these 2 fields are really important in order to show the map view. So if you don't have the fields for saving the latitude and longitude, you should do it beforehand. So let me just find latitude. So I have billing latitude, and longitude is longitude, billing longitude. You can add multiple address blocks. So I have another address block for shipping. So I'm just going to say shipping address, and just going to say shopping street, city, state, zip. I think so this is a wrong one. So I'm just gonna have to cancel this one even that. Just let's do so this and zip. So this is gonna be shopping, and this is gonna be billing. That's my mistake. Next, country, full address, shipping full address, latitude, and longitude. All right, now save, and that's it. This is how you add new settings to our extension or Google Address Toolkit for Zoho CRM. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.